O come, Emmanuel.
Advent, a season of waiting, not just for Christ's birth, but for every promise still unanswered. Some wait for healing, some for peace. Others long to cradle a child, carrying the same ancient cry of God's people, "How long, O Lord?"
Ako si Jo, isa akong guro. I got married when I was 40. At syempre, tulad ng maraming nakaranas ng matagal na kapag-asawa, ang isa talaga sa ipinagdadasal namin, magkaanak.
Motherhood is more than biology. It shares in the creative love of God. Life is sacred because it bears His image. From the first stirrings of life to the long months that follow, a mother holds every emotion. And with every heartbeat, she pours herself into the slow, sacred work of waiting.
Buong pamilya, mga kaibigan, lahat ng mga kakilala namin tumulong sa pagkalampag sa langit na sana po mabiyayaan kami ng anak. 39 na din kasi ang husband ko when we got married. At lahat ng simbahang pwede naming luhuran, lumuhod kami. Hindi lang dito sa Maynila, umakyat kami sa bundok ng Simala sa Cebu, sumayaw din kami sa Ubando, kumapit kami sa pananampalatayang maririnig din kami ng Diyos.
In this waiting, every woman becomes like Israel, longing for the promise, yearning for Emmanuel.
From age to age, God chose unlikely women to bear His promise. Sarah lacked in doubt, yet nursed Isaac in joy. Hannah cried out to God, and Samuel became her answered prayer. Elizabeth, long barren, conceived John, the forerunner of the Lord. These stories are more than history. They are promises fulfilled.
At di kami binigo ng Diyos. Pagkatapos lamang ng 6 na buwan mula nang kami ikasal, nalaman namin buntis na ako. At hindi lang isa. We asked God for one, God gave us 2. Kambal po ang dinadala ko. Pero hindi naging madali. I was on total bed rest. I had to take a leave of absence from work. I couldn't take anything down. On the first trimester, lahat isinusuka ko. 9 na beses akong na-confine sa hospital due to dehydration. But we held on to faith.
Each woman carried not just a child, but the hope of the people of God.
And in the fullness of time, a young woman from Nazareth answered the longing of every mother before her. In Mary, the waiting of generations found its yes. She conceived by the Holy Spirit, showing us that life is always God's gift. The eternal Word took flesh in the silence of a mother's trust.
On the 5th month, nagkaroon ako ng gestational diabetes. Umaga, tanghali, gabi, nagtuturok ako ng insulin. Nagche-check ako ng blood sugar. Napakaraming bawal kainin. Ang sabi ng doctors, we had to eat this number of calories kasi 3 kaming kumakain. But I only had to eat this number dahil diabetic ako. Napakahirap. Then we learned, nagdedelikado na ang isa sa kambal. Ang sabi, we had to terminate dahil hindi na siya lumalaki. Nawawalan na raw ng oxygen na pumapasok sa brain. Panibagong pagsubok na naman ang hinarap namin. Ang sabi ng mga doctors, susubukan nilang i-stretch. Susubukan naming i-stretch hanggang 7 months. Bonus na kung lumagpas pa doon.
The Church calls Advent a season of joyful expectation, a reminder that God fulfills His promises not in haste but in love. In this jubilee of hope, we are invited to remember, no waiting heart, not quiet prayer, no longing soul is ever forgotten by God.
Umabot kami ng 8 buwan, pero emergency cesarean section. And I delivered a boy and a girl. Pero nailagay pa si baby girl sa incubator ng 1 buwan. Siya ang batang 5 buwan pa lamang sa tiyan ko, sinabihan na kaming hindi tatagal. Sa muli, hindi kami binigo ng Diyos. Sa Kanya lamang kami kumapit, umasang sa likod ng mahaba at mahirap na panahon ng paghihintay. Tiringgin ang aming mga panalangin. Kulang man sa buwan, buo naman ang aming kaligayahan. Sometimes, miracle can come in pairs. Salamat sa Diyos kay Francis Jose Dominic at kay Francesca Marie Antonia, ang laman ng aming bawat dasal. Indeed, hope does not disappoint.
Rejoice, rejoice, O Israel, to thee shall come